What's up, traders? My name is Vincent Mokotedi, the founder of Vinboss Signal Factory with over 7 years of proven trading results. I am the only trader who trades publicly with my community. Every single trade, wins and losses included. No hiding, no manipulation, just transparency and real trading results. Furthermore, I would like to tell you that I've already built a Telegram and a WhatsApp community filled with serious traders only. The best part is it's free to join. All you need to do is number 1, register with XNS under our exclusive link. Number 2, verify your trading account. Number 3, fund at least $100. Some traders are funding $1,000 to enjoy higher profits. When you fund, you will get to receive the following that I will mention. Firstly, it will be the weekly Forex forecast of all the major pairs, gold and silver included, daily signals and analysis for London and New York sessions, fundamental news breakdown on major economic events. You will get again a course called Beginner to Pro Ultimate Course for both beginners and struggling traders seeking consistency. Proven strategies tested and verified by myself and other professional traders. One-on-one mentorship where you can request personal attention to deepen your price action and signal understanding. But that's not all. If you are not registered with us or you're not ready to switch over to XNS as of yet, you would still receive daily analysis of 6 pairs only, which includes the euro dollar, the pound and the dollar, the euro Canadian dollar, the pound Canadian dollar, the euro and the pound, and last but not least, the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. You will only receive the London session analysis only. That is a limited access that we give to those who are not with us. So don't miss out on all the full access to premium trading education, signals, and membership. After funding, send proof of registration to WhatsApp 068 060 5332 for instant access to everything. And traders with the pound and the Canadian dollar, we just took profit this week. Remember the sale, and we did take out structure right here at 1.8824. Yesterday we did take out structure with a spike to the upside. It was during the time of the interest rate decision of the Canadian dollar. We were live, of course, with the real account traders community, and everything was marked out as perfect, and this is what we did take structure on, and that's enough for us to discuss this. And I would like us to go to pairs that still matter, that still have signals. Remember, euro dollar has taken profit, pound dollar has taken profit, euro CAD has taken profit, pound Canadian dollar has taken profit this week also. We are now going to see the euro and the pound and the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. Those are the 3 pairs that we'll be analyzing. The video will be short, that's why I decided to do it early in the morning so that you can get early signals for the free YouTube watch list. Okay, traders, with the euro and the pound, what we have is a basic structure. Yesterday we thought this was going to go to the upside. We did get invalidated here. With the euro and the pound, we did get invalidated right here on below our weekly break of structure of last week. That has signaled that we are now structured to the upside. Now, I did mention that on yesterday's video, if you are paying close attention, that the first demand zone would be supply zone will act as demand now, and the second demand zone will also act as demand. We have already tested and reacted the first time. I believe we are going to react the second time, or rather right here, to look for bullish patterns and formations to continue to the upside. Yours is just watch and wait for the trigger to be on your side. So With that being said, traders, this is the euro and the pound. We do not have a lot of things to say on the euro and the pound, of course. And I do expect to see this go to the upside. I'm not looking for any selling opportunity on this pair. Of course, we are looking at it from a 10-minute time frame, which is where I usually check out my entries. Yeah, but if you remember this was yesterday's setup, of course, and with the 30 minutes time frame, you would see that this is still a great place to look for buying opportunities to the upside. And this is the second place to look for buying opportunities to the upside to take out structure right here or this week's new high. So this trade, it might automatically go here today, or it will be a trade that you carry it from today up until next week. So traders, with the US dollar and the Canadian dollar, what we have, it's very similar to what I've said ever since Monday. After Monday, we did break structure to the downside, and I said I was waiting for the retest of this weekly break of structure, but we did not retest it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. With the interest rate decision, we nearly came close to retesting it, but today we have just retested it. Now, for me, structure wise, not because I'm following this strength in dollar, the strength in dollar is for me with what Powell has said yesterday. He was just trying to ease, you know, the bears coming in, but he left the door open for further uh, rate cuts, even though he said it would not be as aggressive as the market would expect. But it doesn't change anything to me or to my understanding. We are still going to get more rate cuts later this year, and of course, there's only one quarter left. So if it comes to easing again, you will blame it on the labor market. But without getting deeper into the fundamentals, of course, what I would like to see technically right now is continuation to the downside. I'm not looking for any buying opportunities on this pair. I'm looking for bearish patterns and formations right at this weekly break of structure. Or if we were to go deeper, of course, this would also be a great place to look for selling opportunities to the downside to take out structure at 1.3722, which is the daily break of structure to the downside. So this is it with the pound, with the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. We do not want to see anything else other than this. This is what we do expect, and this is what you should watch out for while you are trading. Look for patterns of bearish patterns and formations, of course, and invalid ones will not stand, but the valid ones will stand and give you better risk to reward ratio. Make sure you make that 1:3 and then risk it to the downside. So traders, that's it from me today with this video. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. It was short because the majority of the currency pairs have already taken profit, and these are the last ones that are already left. So with that being said, traders, thanks and happy trading today.